What's the meaning of Blue Peter? Blue Peter. Blue Peter.
Blue Peter. Blue Peter. Blue Peter is a long-running British children's television program that has been broadcast on the BBC since 1958. The name Blue Peter comes from the nautical signal flag, bearing a blue square with a white square inside it, which is flown by ships when they are ready to set sail. This flag signifies that the ship is about to leave port, and traditionally it was also used to signal the presence of a guest on board. The show features various presenters who explore different topics such as science, art, and history. It is known for its iconic theme tune, memorable badges, and Blue Peter Garden.